Whittier International is a diverse community school that serves students in High 5 through 5th grade, living in the vibrant Whittier, Wedge, Stevens Square, and Phillips West neighborhoods.
Good morning! Buenos dias! Welcome to Whittier International. I'm Lori Liberty, principal of this fabulous school. I'm so glad you're here today. We are really excited to share with you all of the wonderful things that make Whittier what it is. So come on in, let's take a tour.
At Whittier International, we have intentionally developed programming that promotes the IB learner profile traits. Teachers collaboratively create and implement transdisciplinary units of inquiry, providing opportunities for students to explore and make application to the world. As a responsive classroom school, Whittier students develop and refine their interpersonal skills, learning how to work together to solve problems big and small. IB communities value language, and students begin learning Spanish in High 5. Learners also explore music, movement, art, media, and stretch their imaginations in a creator space. At the culmination of a student's learning at Whittier, all 5th graders participate in the IB PYP exhibition and put to use the skills they have been learning over the years while taking action.
Whittier students benefit from programming designed to celebrate the whole child. As an authorized IB World School since 2009, we inspire learners to become independent, global thinkers through inquiry and action. From early in the morning before school to all the way into early evening, Whittier students engage in enrichment activities brought to us by community partners who we have worked with for some over 20 years. Partners including Art Buddies, MIA, McPhail Music have an enduring tradition as part of a Whittier Wolf's learning experiences.
When you join the Whittier community, your student and your family become a respected member of the Whittier Wolfpack. We know what an integral part each of us play in your child's learning experience. We look forward to gathering our community in celebration of learning and of each other. Global Cafe, Winter Wonderland, International Day of Peace, Readathon, IB All-Stars Assemblies, and of course, Wacky Whittier Wednesdays, our annual favorites. Together, we are better.
Thank you so much for taking time to learn about the Whittier International community today. We were excited to share everything that we have. We love our community. Please be an inquirer and don't hesitate to reach out anytime you have questions about what we have to offer. Thanks for coming.
Gracias por tomarse el tiempo para aprender sobre nuestra comunidad internacional de Whittier y por favor sean curiosos y comuníquense por cualquier pregunta o consulta que puedan tener. Estamos aquí para ayudarle en su proceso de inscripción y toma de decisiones.
waxaan idinka mahadcelinaynaa waqtiga aad geliseen inaad wax ka ogaataan iskuulka caalamiga ah ee Whittier. Fadlan noqo qof weydiiya wixii su'aal ah ama codsi ah ee laga yaabo inaad haysaan. Waxaanu halkan u joognaa inaan idin caawino go'aan gaadhistiinna, diiwaangelinta iyo qaabka loo marayaba waa mahadsantihiin.
IB, UB, BB, Whittier International.